Recruiting top talent, leveraging digital marketing for demolition companies. In demolition, it can be hyper competitive to get the right people for something that is a very competitive business in and of itself. Luckily, digital marketing gives you a ton of options, tools, and things that you can use to get the right people and keep your workplace solid. Number one, this can help you facilitate open communication and engagement. Being able to use digital marketing allows you guys to check on your team members, make sure that they're happy, and do this on an ongoing basis. Also allows you guys to be able to get new people through email newsletters of past applicants, people who may have not been a fit at the right moment, or you guys may have not been ready to take people on. You can really use this marketing to make sure that people are always in the loop through your social media, through your website, etc. Number two, implementing recognition and appreciation initiatives. This is so huge, guys. The more that you do this and let your people know that they're important to your business, your team will prop them up and say, hey, congrats, good stuff on being on the social account, good stuff being on the home page. We really think this is awesome that you've been here for 20 years. It kind of paints a picture for us to see that we can be here for 20 years, even though it's only our 5th year. This is also really important because team members internal can show external potential team members, hey, look at what our company does for us. Our company really, really appreciates us and they applaud us. Number three, promoting professional development prospects. So what's cool about this is you guys can really use this digital marketing to show that team members are getting new licenses, accreditations, etc. And this can be used as an advertising campaign as well, where you can show external people, potential team members, how important your company is and that you guys applaud being able to grow and scale. Number four, gathering and acting on employee feedback. This is so cool, guys. You can get real-time surveys of your team members and be able to see what they think about how the projects you guys are doing is, being able to see what they think about the equipment. This can all be done too in a manner that is kind of anonymous, where team members can tell how they truly feel and you guys can move the needle without pointing fingers or feeling a certain way about certain people. You can get the true and honest feedback so you guys can make your company better, and they can then tell people about, hey, this company truly cares what we think. They actually will act upon what we give as feedback, and it's just a great place to work. Number five, cultivating employee branding and managing reputation. A positive employer brand is key for attracting and recruiting top talent. We all know this. We want to make sure that our team members know that we care, that we respect and appreciate them. We can show this through the online marketing strategies that our team is rock star, and we know that they're rock star, and we want more rock stars to come on board. We want to show that our employees are satisfied and we keep them when they're doing the right things. This is so cool that you guys can give back through this culture, and it could be shown to the world, really, particularly for people that you're interested in getting to come on your team, that we give a damn about our team members. We really, truly care, and we're going to show it to everyone so that way we can attract more of the right people and keep the right people internal that we already have.